Hey, upload experiment here. I just wanted to touch base because I thought it was very important that I let all of my 72 subs know, hey man, we're not done. We are not done here. I know it seems like I don't post on here very often. And well, let's be honest, that's because I don't. But if you look at the time, it's 4:56. Look at the time on my monitor. That's the time. I have not slept. And it's not because I'm over here doing this or that or the other thing. Dude, if you want to do YouTube, you better do YouTube. And you gotta grind. You have to you gotta breathe. Every breath you take, you're thinking about, how can I make this thumbnail better? How can I make this title better? What can I do? What can I do? Is there something I did in the other video? Let me look at the drop-off rates. Why is engagement dropping off right here? These are the things that have to haunt your dreams. And I mean, it may be partly because I do have 6 channels that I'm starting. But on each channel, well, I mean, but on each channel, I gotta be a different person. I gotta be on my gaming one, I gotta be oh my God. So with any luck, you know what? If you guys come across one of my other channels with me, oh my God, that would high key be amazing to me. Because it's oh my God, I am putting myself out there so much. And this is essentially the place where I can just kind of I could just let it go. I could just talk about all of the struggles or how I'm feeling. Because this Leon Lush video, I put a lot of work into this. I put so much work into this video, dude. And 534 views. And you know what sucks? Is whenever other YouTubers are sitting there I made 3 videos and boom. And see, the thing is yeah, I might have 6 other channels, but I am learning so much from each one. And I'm finally getting data. I'm getting information back. Without information, you're just shooting, you're literally shooting in the dark. So, here I'm trying everything. I'm trying, this dumbass button thing, this button thing, regular face, this AI thing, no face. And it takes you doing all of this and then my other channels, which I'm actually seeing traction on. I'm not seeing a lot of traction on this one. I guess this is kind of turned into more of a journal of how everything is going. But I spend, like I said, it's 5 o'clock in the goddamn morning. I have to be up in 2 hours. And that's just how it is. If if I was focusing on one specific channel, would it go any better? Maybe. But I'm not sure I would learn as much because I'm involved in all these different genres and I'm trying all these different things. And I can't wait till one of them just absolutely crushes it and I can come back here and be like, guys, I figured it out. It might have taken me a long time, but I figured it out. Because it's stressful when you have family depending on you, and like I got sick. So I really couldn't do anything for like a couple days. And your family's like, what are you doing? And you have to keep coming up with creative ideas and just sure, you are a creative mastermind. You just have to keep pumping out ideas. And some of them suck. And some of them are good. But you don't know until you actually spend the effort and the time in putting it together. That's wherein lies the problem. If I could just go, here's an idea I have, go, do it. It would be easy. But I don't have millions of dollars to do that. And if it's like, oh yeah, here, go, boom, run with it. This is the idea I have, go. Tell me if it works. If it works, great. If not, well, that sucks. But it's like, meanwhile, what? I spent like $200,000 on that stupid ass idea. It's kind of like putting all your eggs in one basket and then protecting that basket like a motherfucker. Sleep. I try to sleep, but I can count. It would probably take two people's hands, four hands, maybe even more, to count how many days I've stayed up back to back just trying to pump things out. Or like, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. So, if you wanna do this, you better be ready to give it hell. And I'm not coming from nowhere of like, unless you have some special, you might think you're special. Everybody thinks they're special. But the thing is, you're not. You're not special. Everybody thinks they're special, but you're not. And so you have to really tell yourself, you're not gonna, so many people, and I'm not guilty of this. I've done this years and years and years ago. But they think, I'm so special. I'm gonna make one video. And guess what? Watch me become YouTube famous. No. It will never, ever happen. So just, the best thing you can do is eliminate that from your thought process. Unless you have, I have made YouTube videos years and years ago where I've actually advertised. I spent money advertising them. Didn't fucking matter. It didn't matter. Unless Jeff Bezos or somebody is your friend and comes on your stream, or somebody like Asmongold says, hey, let's watch this video. then you got a hell of a jump start. And you know what? Good for you. I am not jealous whatsoever. But, you know, like the video that I did of Leon Lush shows all the hell he went through. Well, I don't know if he really went through hell, but it was not like yesterday he decided to start doing YouTube. And Asmongold's the same. That dude has been doing this for like 16 years. Maybe longer. But they slowly honed their craft. And that's just kind of, if you want to be successful, that's just kind of what it takes. And if you're expecting some payoff and, you know, like a month and a half, well, like some of these YouTubers are like, I made 3 YouTube videos just to prove you could get to 100,000 subs in like a week. Bullshit. There's something else going on behind the scenes. Don't believe any of that. I'm literally experiencing it. Maybe there is something going on behind the scenes, which would be him actually having connections or just having the knowledge that he's built up through doing YouTube videos. He's like, I know what's going to hit. I know how to do it. The same thing that I'm doing with like 6 different channels. I'm starting to get data. I'm starting to understand like, okay, this is working. This isn't working. But if you're just going for a shot in the dark with your YouTube video or your YouTube videos right now, and the thing is, you can't follow big names like Asmongold. You can't be like, you can't put out a video that says like, you're like, you see him go, oh, this is crazy, and just with some stupid thumbnail, and then think that you're gonna just like, you're like, well, because he did it, I'm doing it. No, he's already made his mark. He's already made his mark, and you have to earn the right to be there. And you ain't gonna do it by shooting in the dark. If you do it, shooting in the dark, well, then you're gonna stay in the dark. And that's just the way it is. But one of the best things that you can have in your corner is a supportive partner. Wife. Supportive wife. If you don't got that, you don't got nothing, man. If she's telling you like, hey man, dude, it's been 6 months, like, why aren't you famous yet? Just stop. That's one thing I really, my wife is a legend. True legend. But, yeah, I don't really, I just wanted to kind of give a quick update because it's been a long time, and I feel like people, my 72 subscribers, each one of them, because I value all 72, might be like, man, he must have given up. Hell no. Man, shit, man. Y'all don't know me. Y'all don't know me. I don't give up on shit. I will never give up. You are more likely to see me on another YouTube channel that you didn't even know was related to me. You're like, I know that. Oh my God. That's Upload Experiment. This is one of his other channels. you're more likely to experience that than me giving up. That's 100%. I don't give up. Even at 5:11 in the morning, and I gotta get up in an hour and a half, or an hour and 20 minutes. Never give up. Keep pushing. Keep stretching. All you gotta do, like when I was in the military and we were doing our 30th pull-up, and the instructor was like, I don't care how you get up that bar. Get up that goddamn bar. You find a way to get up that bar. That's the mentality that you have to have. So, with that, I'm going to pretty much end our little update here. This might just be like a journal on how I'm feeling about all my progress on all my other channels. I don't know. It's a goddamn experiment, people. Okay. But with that, I'll try to make my updates more. Subscribe and like. Make sure you turn on that bell icon, because who knows what the next update will be like. Peace.